Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn union of two sets, intersection of sets, disjoint sets and difference of two sets. That's why this video is going to be very important video, so please be attentive and watch this video thoroughly. So first we learn union of two sets. Union of two sets indicates that A union B is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to set A or x belongs to set B. This is the way of representing union of two sets in set builder form. And by Venn diagram we represent union of two sets like this. Here set A and set B both are setted completely and both the sets are intersecting also. The portion where both the sets are intersecting, this is the portion, indicates those elements which belong to both sets, set A and set B. And these elements which belong to both the sets, set A and set B, are taken only once. And in union of two sets A and B, those elements are taken which belongs to only set A, like this portion, red portion indicates those elements which belongs to only set A, and this portion which is dark red indicates those elements which belongs to only set B, and this black portion indicates those elements which belongs to both set A and set B. So in union of two sets we take those elements which belongs to only set A and those elements which belongs to only set B and those elements which belongs to both the sets A and set B, but these elements which belongs to both the sets are taken only once. This is the main condition for union of two sets. Now try to understand intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets are represented in set builder form like this. Here A intersection B, or you can also say that intersection of A and B is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to set A and x belongs to set B. This is the way of representing intersection of two sets by set builder form. And by Venn diagram we represent intersections of two sets like this. Here set A and set B both are intersecting, and the portion which represents intersection are shaded, here shaded in red ink, and this portion which is shaded indicates intersection of A and B. This is the intersection of A and B, and the intersection of two sets A and B represents those elements which belongs to set A and also belongs to set B. So we can say that the intersection of sets A and B is the set of all elements which are common to both set A and set B. The symbol this is used to denote the intersection. For example, the elements of set A are 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the elements of set B are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then intersection of set A and set B is equal to 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are the elements which are included in the intersection of set A and set B, because 2 element belongs to set A and 2 element also belongs to set B, and element 4 belongs to set A and element 4 also belongs to set B. So we take elements 2 and 4 in the intersection of A and B. Now try to understand disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. Disjoint means that is not joint or that is separated. If set A and set B are two sets such that intersection of set A and set B is equal to phi, I mean empty, then set A and set B are called disjoint sets. For example, the elements of set A are 2, 4, 6, 8 and the elements of set B are 1, 3, 5, 7. Then we can see clearly that no elements of set A and set B are common to both the sets of set A and set B. Hence, we can say that set A and set B have no common elements. That's why intersection of set A and set B is equal to phi, because there are no elements which are common to set A and set B. And the intersection of two sets A and B are represented in Venn diagram like this. Here we draw set A circle. This black circle represents set A and this red circle represents set B. But you can see clearly that both the sets are not intersecting at any point. Hence, these sets are disjoint sets. Now we try to understand some important properties of operation of intersection. These properties are, first is commutative law. Commutative law says that A intersection B equals to B intersection A. And second property is associative law. Associative law says that intersection of A and B intersection C equals to A intersection of B and C. And the third law is law of phi and union. So law of phi and union says that intersection of phi and A equals to phi, and law of union says that intersection of union set and set A equals to set A. And the fourth property is idempotent law. Idempotent law says that intersection of set A and set A, I mean intersection of A and A equals to set A. And the fifth law is distributive law, that is intersection distributive over union. Intersection distributive over union says that A intersection union of B and C equals to A intersection B union A intersection C. Now try to understand difference of sets, difference of two sets. The difference of the sets A and B in this order is the set of elements which belong to set A but not to set B. For example, the elements of set A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the elements of set A. And the elements of set B are 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are the elements of set A and set B. Now, difference of two sets A and B indicates that A minus B. We write A minus B. A minus B represents difference of two sets A and B. So we write set A minus set B, and then we write the elements of set A first and sign of minus, and then we write the elements of set B. And because we are finding difference of A and B, so we can see that element 2 included in set A, so 2 must be excluded. Element 4 belongs to set B, so 4 must be excluded from set A. Element 6 belongs to set B, so 6 must be excluded from set A. And element 8 is not belong to set A. Hence, there is no need to exclude 8 from set A because you can't do this operation. So we get, after excluding 2, 4 and 6 from set A, we get 1, then 3 and then 5. So the set which indicates difference of A and B, I mean A minus B, has the elements 1, 3 and 5. So A minus B have the elements 1, 3 and 5. And how we have got these elements? We have got these elements by excluding the elements of set B from set A. Here note that it is very important, and keep in your mind that A minus B does not equal to B minus A. A minus B does not equal to B minus A. And A minus B is represented by set builder forms like this. We say that the set of all x's, that x belongs to set A and x does not belong to set B. This is the way of representing A minus B by set builder form. Here you say that B minus A is equal to 8. B minus A is equal to 8 and A minus B is equal to 1, 3, 5. That's why we say that A minus B does not equal to B minus A. I hope you have understood all the concepts which I have explained in this video. In next video, I will solve all the questions of the exercise which is based on these concepts. So thanks a lot for watching this video.